It actually starts lathering really easily. I'm gonna rub some on my scalp. Before I open this up and try everything and show you every step, I just had to take a moment to appreciate the packaging. I'm a big packaging girl. My parents are graphic designers. I grew up knowing that this stuff is important. This whole company screams high quality. It's kind of why I hunted them down. I knew I needed to try their product. So this is their rice water hair growth kit. You open it up, and first, oh, lock of love. Very high quality box. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous is that? You've got your rice water hair vinegar, rice water shampoo bar, and then this little filler that just says, "Rice to meet you." Oh, I just think it's so cool to take this empty space and use it in an eco-friendly way. It's not taking up too much material, but it adds such a cute touch. I'm gonna take this very seriously and try this product for a couple months and come back with a video. So stay tuned. Look what else they have. So they have this shirt. Cool, merch, cool. The front is blank. I think that is such a baller move. So cool because you can wear this shirt with a jacket and it's just like a cool t-shirt. But then on the back, they've got this hair growth chart. I will put it on in a second. We'll see where my hair's at. And then when I come back in a couple of months, we'll see where it's grown to. I just don't think that you would make a shirt like this if you didn't believe in your product. Like, how silly would that be? Here is my apple cider vinegar and rice water mix. Whoa, that's beautiful. Look at that. And on the back, they've got a little apple. No, you guys, the design team with this company, I hope the product is like half as good as the design team because they know what's going on. They are doing a great job. I've never used a shampoo bar. That is really cool. It comes wrapped in this nice paper. Oh my gosh. And then here is your beautiful rice water bar. It says, "Rice to meet you." Y'all, it's rice to meet you too, honestly. Oh, and last, they also sent me this bamboo dish for your soap because you don't want your family, your kids, anyone else kind of rubbing this soap wherever they please. You want the soap to be your special soap. So if you want, you can get one of these nice bamboo trays and it keeps your soap nice and dry. It doesn't let it sit in its own wetness, but also it kind of makes it a note that like, this is mommy's, you know, or this is daddy's, whatever it may be. I'll be right back. So you just saw me unbox these beautiful products. I had so much fun with just the package design, but here we are and we're gonna actually use the product for real on my hair. It's soaking wet right now. I just took a shower. I've got my shampoo bar tray, which is super important because this will last you apparently like 3 full bottles of shampoo, but only if you keep it dry out of the direct shower because it'll just kind of eventually melt. But if you keep it dry between every wash, you will have this for a really long time, long enough to see results, I imagine. And this bottle is, well, no, don't eat that. It's okay. Let's start with the shampoo bar. Ooh, I'm just gonna get it wet. I have some water down here. Hold on. It actually starts lathering really easily. I'm gonna rub some on my scalp. Oh my gosh, this actually feels incredible so far. I could definitely get used to this. I'm gonna put it on my tray so that we make sure it stays good for next use and many uses after that. Make sure I get the back underneath lathered. Now that I've got a really nice lather all through my scalp, I'm just kind of giving myself a little massage with my nails. I'm gonna go rinse this out. Now it's time for my apple cider vinegar rinse. This has apple cider vinegar and rice water in it. I know that's a really important part of hair health and hair growth is to remove buildup and properly clean your hair. So this is exciting. It originally had a regular cap on it, but it came with this nozzle. So I took off the cap, peeled off the seal, put this nozzle on. This is allowing me to like squirt just on my scalp and get into the right parts. So I'm gonna go ahead and I can't really see it. I don't have a mirror. Oh man, I'm getting drippy. I have to redo my makeup. Oh no, hold on. Definitely do your best not to get it in your eye. It stings a little bit. Oh, I can feel it kind of like tingling a little bit in a nice way. It feels like it's doing something. And I'm going to massage my scalp for about 1 to 3 minutes while we get this product in there, while it cleans, it kind of tingles, it's fizzing, it just feels really nice. Let's see if it looks like anything. I started dyeing my hair black when I was 18 years old, and I wore it black until I was about 27, so almost 10 years, and that's like box dye. But once I decided to get married and have children and be a mom and be a wife, whatever, I wanted to just have my natural hair color back, start over. So that took like a year of orange hair, short hair, fried hair. Oh my God. This is starting to tingle a little bit, so I'm going to go rinse this off. I'll be back in a second. All right, guys, I'm all rinsed out. I took off the apple cider vinegar. When I said it was burning before, it doesn't like hurt or anything. It's kind of like mouthwash. Like it feels a little like it's working, you know? I'm just going to towel dry it. style it like I normally do. I'm not going to be leaving conditioner. I just want to see how my hair looks directly after just using these products. I'm brushing my hair out, and it is not any harder to brush out than my normal wet hair post shower. I'm just going to brush this out the way that I would. Perfect. So this is my hair brushed right after the shampoo bar and the ACV rinse. I actually forgot to mention like smell, because I feel like this smells really nice now. It doesn't smell like flowery or botanical or anything. It smells like the slightest bit like clean, like vinegary, but not in a bad way, if that makes sense. The bar itself is totally scentless, actually, totally unscented. And then this is what has that slight smell to it, because I don't know if you can like erase vinegar smell, but it's got like a slight little clean vinegar smell. Anyway. Wow. All right, friends, this is me with half dried hair, half not dried hair, just using a normal like round brush blow dryer. It feels healthy. It feels clean. Okay, that's pretty important. The shampoo actually cleaned my hair. I've got greasy hair. I got like that typical like thin haired person problem where it's just like slicks, and it looks very, very clean. It also is soft and nice and shiny. And so let's keep going. Let's see the other side. Let's see how it looks from behind. I can't really see it right now, but you guys can tell me. I'm about a longest at a 10, and then like it creeps up a little bit. So let's see what happens in a couple months. Mimosu's the bomb. Let's just see how it works on me. I'm so excited to go on this journey. I really hope that some of you follow along with me. Their brand is called Mimosu, Mimosu. Go look them up. Go find their products. Try it out if you're interested. Let's get our hair healthy together, guys. It's summer 24. It's healthy hair summer.